of the day. All right. So that's why I love coming here. I just hope that as much as I love making these videos, you guys also love watching them and also love keeping up too. All right, so we have people that are joining in from different part of the world. So let me know where you're joining in, and then I'm going to be displaying some of which I can see on this screen. All right, so we have Suleiman from Lagos. We have a lot of people. We have Kumar from India. We have a lot of other people still coming in. Orili Lagos, Zainam from Benin, Tejiri from Delta State, and the list keep going on. So just as the name keeps coming in, I'll be it's a lot. Okay. So I just have one thing to show you guys today. So that's why you see the title of today's live stream is Pure Price Action Analysis. Pure price action. How to spot entries using pure price action. Simple. Without the help of indicator, without the help of anything. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. My brother from Rwanda. I saw you. I think I couldn't. Okay, look at you here. Rwanda from Lagos, Nigeria, Lagos, Jos. Yeah, Bello from where? He said, yeah, Bello State. Okay, now I see what you mean. That should be Kogi. Bayelsa, Ghana, Imo State, and the list keep going on. So thank you. From Turkey. So thank you. You guys are all welcome. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to use pure price action to do a perfect analysis so that you can start making good profits. Now you're not going to be seeing say about you're not going to be expecting red. How to use price action to determine your stop loss zones, the actual stop losses. Some of you would have actually noticed that there are times that your analysis is very correct. Your analysis is not the problem, it's correct, but price just reverses a little, take out your stop loss, and then continue in your direction of actual movement. It is because you don't understand how price action still work. And that's one thing. This class is for you guys. And other people, you'd also notice that it will be like about 2 people, 5 people away from your TP, then it will reverse. Instead of you to take your profit, you're still hoping that don't worry, it will reverse, it go reverse, and then it's going on you. You're still holding it. So this lesson too is also for you. So if you have anyone right now that's having this challenge, that's complaining on his WhatsApp, on Telegram, or any on his social media, on Instagram, that's having this problem, tag them right now to this live or send them this link, let them be a part of this so that they can actually learn how I'm doing it, how I'm killing it, and then they can also take a thing or two away from here and then implement it into their own system. All right. Thank you guys. So let's take this away. So first, before I get started, now that the energy is way up, I have to announce one thing. In our mentorship with fire people, you guys have been asking, Jeff, when are you going to bring this 6-month plan for the mentorship? Because I think I can't afford the yearly. Not because you can afford it, but because you feel that you'll be able to master it before a year. So we have your answers right here now. So we have the yearly, monthly, and the 6-month plan all in your face. So you can decide to be a part of anyone at all that you want. It's all up to you. All right. So we have all the options you guys have been requesting for. All right. So I think we deserve a round of applause for that. So if you're that person and you've been demanding that you need that package is for you, something that you know you want to get, so hop on right now and then be a part of us. Okay. So thank you. So let's go. Let me show you some screen. Let me show you some how it works. So since it's a pure price action class, I'm just going to go ahead and open a clean chart, and then I'll start afresh. Start everything on a fresh. Now, if you are probably new to TradingView, or you are new to trading, or you are a kind of person that you just of recent, because of losses you've made, decided that I'm not going to be using any indicator. Maybe some indicators are made you to make losses. You decided, okay, I'm not going to be using an indicator. I'll just go ahead and clear my chart up so that I can be seeing everything clearly. I want to master price action now. This is like a chart you should be looking out for, just like this chart. So let me further clear all these drawings so that you have something like this. First, one thing about pure price action that you have to know is the king in price action is trend. Price action king is trend. What makes price action? Like if you want to be killing it back to back, is understanding of trend. So in trading, understand trend is, we know what is trending right now. Say for example, if Twitter stock is trending, you want to be hopping on when at the early stage where it is, before it started trending, so that when other people are hopping on as it's moving up, you start gaining much profit. So the goal is to buy low and then you sell high, or you join low, the trend, you join low on the trend, and then when it gets up to a very high peak, then you exit. Now let's take Bitcoin for example. We all know when Bitcoin was trending on everybody's status, on Instagram, on everybody's stories, on Instagram, on Twitter, everywhere. All the coins were trending, all right? So, but it got to a certain state, like 64K, when everyone was shouting. People who invested even at 20K, people who invested at 40K were shouting, man, I'm making a killing, I'm making 100%, I'm making this, I'm making that. The NFTs popped out. So what happened? The smart investor knew that time the market was too saturated. There were too many people in that time, in the market at that time. So what would they do? People who got in really early at the bottom, they'll try as much as possible to take out, they'll liquidate their position to people who are coming in because of fear of missing out, FOMO. They hear that their friends, they are making a killing from Bitcoin, then they start buying at that top at 64K. And now Bitcoin today, it's sad, it's a sad thing to announce that Bitcoin today, let me just show you, let me know, I don't want to announce, I want to use your eyes to see it. So if you see the price, then it is good for you. So let me just show you the price of Bitcoin today. From 64K, this is right now the price. So what price is this? That's what it is right now. It's crazy, but people who bought so early made crazy profit at the top. So what you want to be doing is you want to be buying when it's not popular, when it's not so trending. When the trend is new, that's when you want to be hopping on. The same is true with trading. Now let's take it to the chart. So you guys can clearly see from this point here that it's a trending market. What's trending this way? This case, we have bearish trends and we have bullish trends. So for those who are new to trading, you might not know what bearish trend means yet, or bullish trend means. Bullish trend simply means it is doing well, it is buying, it is going up. All right, it's an uptrend. Why bearish trend? Oh, sorry, I didn't share my screen for a sec. So look at the price right here. Let me do that again. Price of Bitcoin right now is this amount. I don't want to mention, because I know some people here are heavily invested in this and they are really crying right now. So I don't want to make new enemies today, because I made enough last week Friday. All right. So what you want to be doing is you want to be buying when the trend is starting. Your single job is identifying when the trend is about to start, hop on early. So when it's at the peak of the trend, liquidate your position to people who are just coming in. People who heard that their relative are making a killing, a fortune, and then they hop on without no further information. These are the people you should be liquidating to, selling your positions to immediately. That's like, well, it is not wicked, it's just investing. So it is those that know, that have the knowledge, they are the one collecting from those who do not have the knowledge. That's how it just basically works. That's what we don't give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. Instead, we collect what belongs to Caesars. So that's what it is. Okay. So in order for you to do that with trading, is we just zooming in on this part, from this portion of the chart here to this part. What trend are we in? It's obviously going up. Though at some point we have some sells, but the prevailing trend is what? An uptrend. So let me just put in an arrow that is directing towards the trend. Correct? I just want you guys to understand the storyline behind trend. It's a trend. It's either like this or like this. All right? It's a trend. Bullish trend. So we can, most times with charts, we have buy trends and sell trends. So right now with crypto, with Bitcoin, the trend that is currently in now is sell trend. So everybody's selling, sell trend. But for a couple of months back, while it was at say 55K to about 64K, it was bullish trend. So you want to always stick to the trend. Know when the trend is about to end, and then you hop out so quick, all right? And then you wait again for it to reverse, then you hop on. So take this one away, trend. All right, so let's write that down, the concept that we've mastered so far. So we've talked about trend, understanding trend. You must get this thing, all right? So sometimes whenever I'm in class with some people and then they ask me, Jeff, what do you think the market is about to do right now? Then the first thing I look out for is, I just go check the trend. So trend is going to tell me a lot of things that it's going to do. So we've treated trend. So let me show you examples of trends. So right now on GBP USD on the 4-hour time frame, from here to this point, we are in a bullish trend. All right. But however, if you have to shrink your chart really well, you go on the daily time frame, you find out that overall we are still on a downtrend. So GBP USD has been selling for since God knows when. So price was about on the 24th of May. Excuse me. on 24th May 2021, from this point, price was about 1.42520, but right now, today is 1.21436. So if you have to put in a trend line or an arrow directing, you find out that we are in a downtrend. So what I'm just begging you to do is identify the trend and just follow the trend. If it's a downtrend, sell. If it's an uptrend, buy. That's one really good importance of trading. So with trading, you can't always say, hey, it's just one, it's just only one. It's unlike stock. With trading, one very good thing about trading is it's unlike stock. You don't just make profit from buying only. You can make profit from buying and selling. So your job is just identify when it's time for it to sell, then you sell off. When it's time for it to buy, and then you buy. Okay. Amazing. So let's take some positive comments. So Josh Coin, he said, "Boss, I love you. Me too now becoming pro in the niche." Amazing, amazing. I'm happy that you like that. So Oyemechi says the trend is your friend. Exactly. Put it that way. The trend is your friend. And then Thomas is saying trend lines are the best. Exactly. All right, good. Okay, amazing. So let's get back into the video. I can see that you guys are enjoying the whole video. Now, first, understanding the trend. Then the second thing that you want to identify as a pure price action analysis is have levels. You have to have levels. What I mean levels, demand levels, supply levels. But in our case, in order for me, I just simplify the process by saying it's psychological levels. So these are random numbers that banks, hedges pay attention to, or the bigger guys all pay attention to. So you can have levels. It's not necessarily you do it the way I do. So I'm going to show you two easy ways you can actually have very clean levels, and then you take actions based off those levels. Look at how market opinion is formed. Say we are in an uptrend. Say we're in an uptrend. Market moves up. Okay. It's to come back down, the lead. Then it move back up again, come back down again, move back up again, come back down again. All right. Maybe move back up, come back down, same level. Sometimes can be that crazy, do something like this, and then we have a slash. So now, what is first? Let's break down everything that is every component on this chart. First, we're in an uptrend from here. This is an uptrend, correct? Yes. How many of you agree with me? Uptrend. You have no choice. You have to agree with me. Uptrend. That's an uptrend, correct? So now, what we want to ascertain here is when an uptrend. How can I tell where price will drop to and then continue again from? All right. So why did price get to this low? Why did price respect this level? When it got to this point, why did it respect this level? What is here? What's market not telling me? What's price not telling me here? What is here? Do you know one thing? If you have gotten to a level before and price respected that level, anytime that market price come back to that particular level again, chances are high that that level would be respected again. So all you just have to be watching out for is to watch out for chart pattern or candlesticks formation on the second chart pattern. All right, here's what I mean. So with a situation like this, you might not be able to catch this move. It's fine. But if you are not able to catch this one, then everything is wrong. Then you're not in this class. I mean, subsequently, for those who are in this class, if you see any formation like this before now and you're not able to catch it, no problem. Nothing. You saw the meme I posted on my Instagram story today. Nothing, no problem. I don't have issue with you. But after this class, you see something like this I'm about to show you and you're unable to do it, you're unable to catch it, you're unable to make your $200, $2,000, $4,000, and so on and so forth from this, then we're going to have issues. So let's go. Can you see that price got to this level? Here's the level. Let me do a circle. So here is a level, all right? I'll go a level here. It's not a coincidence. It's not coincidence. I've got a level here too, all right? We have another level here. And even at the top, you can see at the top too, we got levels. And we have another one here. then another one, and then another one. Okay, so all I just want to do, and then we had a level, a big, like a trough here too. So in order for you to spot all these levels, you just have to come here and take this rectangle tool, all right? Then you have to mark out from covering the wicks and a little bit of the body of those kind that made noise from here. To me, this is a demand zone. All right, it's a demand zone. Not to me, like generally, it is a demand zone. Here are levels at the top. Here's another one again. So if I'm to take something like say from here, these are levels. Oh, these are levels. Simple. And then if I'm to take from here again, it's a level. It's a level. Then if I'm to take from here again, this is another one. So all you just have to do is look for places where price made noise. What I mean by noise, where it's there are hesitations, points where it made any hesitation at all. Like, let me give you one more example. Here, there's an hesitation at this peak, and definitely if price ever come back to this level, this region again, there will be hesitation later in the future. Now, let me do an example. Let's say this place never existed. While we maybe by this happened 2020, July 15th, 2020. Okay, so price got to this point. So all we're just going to do is when we get here, price made noise here, he also made noise here. So what I'm just going to do is just to do like this, such that I just create a level and extend it into the future. So what will happen when price get there? Let's play. What will happen? What will be my bias? So I'm just waiting for price to get to that zone level. Can you see? Get to that zone, hesitations, like that. So this is one zone strategy that I've just taught you guys. Hesitation, and then you see how price how to dance around that region, not passing that place. And then if it goes a little bit above, then that's overextension. All right, that's what we call overextension. Then you should be expecting a slash. A slash. I'm playing. Can you see the build up? Okay. Like when me a slash to the downside. After which, can you see? Just follow the candlesticks. Yeah. So one thing I just want you guys to know is immediately price tested this zone here where we are here, and then immediately came back again to that same point. It's another opportunity for you to short. Now let me tell you how much you would have actually made from this drop. You probably might be, oh Jeff, but this is a small move. No, it is not small, my brother. If you know what you're doing, it is not small. It is not. Just check from here to here. That's 728 pips because we are on the daily time frame. That's why it looks small. Okay, don't get it twisted, guys. It's because we're on the daily time frame. That's why it looks small. I just want to teach you guys the concept of zones. All right. So it is not small at all. So I'm sure that is already out of your head that it's a small move. It is not. All right. So now we have been able to teach you trends, and I've also been able to teach you zones. So those are the two things that we've been able to establish. Good. Let me go ahead and clear this chart, and then we'll go back again. So let's go in the 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to show you how to finally apply this. And remember, I said I was going to teach you two ways in order for you to plot support and resistance or zones and all of that. So I've taught you one by using zones. Then another very important one that I love is psychological levels. All right, using like sequential series whereby 50 is the difference, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, like that. That is what we are talking about. So let me take you some let me take some comments too. Kwesi got keys. He said a lot of people. Yes, that's because it's on daily. It looks more amazing. Someone says my screen is not clear. I don't know, for some reason. Maybe you should just go on YouTube settings, click on highest quality. Yeah, and also look at your data. Make sure you're not using Glow. All right. Okay. So let's go again. So with that said, psychological levels are just basic random numbers. So what we'll just do with psychology, I don't have to stress. I don't have to check my left. I don't have to check anything what price has done before. All I just have to do is to drop price relative to the significant number. Like right now, price is currently 1.21373. That is good. So I'm just going to look for a round number close to that. So round up a significant number can just be 1.200000. So we want to eliminate these numbers that are these random numbers that is at the back. So we want to just do 1.000000. So that is it, psychological level. It is that simple. So in order for you to get the next one, you have to start calculating 50 pips to the upside or 50 pips to the downside. Easy peasy. So I'm going to calculate 50 pips here. So 50 pips to this point, that's 1.205. All right. 1.205. Boom. That's the psychological level. So you can go ahead and add as many as you want to add. As many. So it's just going to always be 50 pips. 50 pips, 50 pips. To the upside, to the downside. Simple. To the downside and to the upside. Easy. So this is a psychological level. Now check. Whenever price gets to a psychological level, there are always reactions. And these reactions are things I can't really explain. I've thought this thing for over how many years, and people are just like, why is Jeff so fascinated about the psychological levels? How come? Why does this guy love this thing? He doesn't want to leave this. That's because of how much I've made off of this strategy. It is crazy. It is mind blowing. Now, this is 2023. You better start getting your life so serious or your trading journey super, super duper serious. If you want to make money this year, 2023, you have to start sticking to one thing that is working. Keep doing it, keep doing it. All you just have to do is to master one thing 10,000 times. Just as the popular quote of a popular fighter goes. I think that should be, is it Jet Li or this guy that fights Kung Fu? No, the guy. I've forgotten his name. Maybe you want to remember. He said that he doesn't fear any man that knows 10,000 kicks. Okay, but he fears one man that knows one kick, that has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Because of what? Thank you, Bruce Lee. Thank you, David Achon. Thank you. Now, why would they call him goat? They always turn up. Always. They always turn up. So that statement alone is massive. Sorry about that. That statement alone is massive. Okay. So he said, because if you have mastered one thing over and over again, trust me, you'll be so good. You'll be extremely good. All right. So let's go. So if you want to make sure, like for the past 5 years, I've been doing one thing over and over again. You know what? Some people say, some other people that call themselves pro traders that are not making money. They'll be like, oh, Jeff, you're just doing cheap things. Trendline doesn't work again. No, it's not about making mouth or doing some or just shading people. Let the results speak. Have you got results? Have you got results that is speaking? When I mean actual results, if you have to bring your trading history right now, can your results speak for you with what you think you know? That's what matters. So do not listen to the naysayer. So let's leave all these other guys. Yeah, just focus on yourself. If you are doing one thing over and over again, trust me, and if you see that thing has an edge, it is working, you definitely will be able to hit it hard. It is not my principle. It's principle that has been here even before we came, and we are going to leave it. So master one thing. So this is the thing that I've mastered. I just want to let you guys know how important this strategy is to me, that I'm giving it to you guys, because I want you guys to be able to make as much money as I'm making. That's if you only have the mind to want to do that. All right, let's go again. So on the screen here, you see these psychological levels. It's pretty simple. 1.20, 1.2000, 1.2050, 1.2100, 1.2150, 1.2200, like round up number like that. So we just have to do just to measure 50 people far apart from each other. Or if you do not know how it works, it's just as simple as you just taking screenshot of your screen right now, how I'm doing it, and then you replicate same on your GBP chart. Simple. No headache. Simple. Do exact same thing. Okay, so now you see how price got to this psychological level, see reactions. Okay, see how price got to this point, see reactions, and yet they are telling me that it doesn't work. See how price got to this level, can you see reactions? Can you see reactions at this point? Now, all you just have to bother yourself with, okay, how do I know the ones that will hold and the ones that won't hold? And you also agree with me, it's not every time that some of them hold. Yes. So that's why this shouldn't be used as a left alone strategy. So it has to be measured with price action, which is what I call chart pattern and price reactions, which is what sometimes we call weak rejections. So since we have this one on the chart now, let's go ahead and draw the trend line. So we have talked about trends, and I've also talked about how to identify levels. Okay, two ways of identifying levels, and now we are talking about trend lines, right way to plot trend lines. So everything you are doing here now, no single indicator, pure price action, how to tell the next place where price will move to, and then you make profit off of that. That's how trading works. Tell me whether price is going to move from here to here, and then I'll give you the money. That's what trading is all about. Easy peasy. So right now you can go ahead and open an account, try out a demo account. Demo accounts are virtual money. It's not real, but they give you real market condition, which is what you are seeing right here. And then you can start funding. After you've mastered your game, you think that you are good, then you can go like fund an account, a real account, and then any profit you make on top of that real account, it's just you can pull it out, just as what we're doing. Simple, by obeying this strategy. So if you want to sign up with any brokerage, there's a link in the description box. Go ahead and use that link if you want. I mean, you can also just go to any brokerage website that you know you trust, that is regulated, and use that too. Anyone that works well for you. So regarding trend lines, trend line has to deal with two troughs and two peaks. That's all, the only thing that you have to keep in your mind. If someone walk up to you, or maybe tomorrow I meet you maybe in the street, and I walk up to you, I say, man, how can I draw a trend line? All you just have to tell me is have two peaks, or which is two tops and two bottom. Simple. Let me show you that how that works on the chart. Two tops, two bottom, easy put. Now here is a bottom. Simple. Here is a bottom. Here is a bottom. Here is a bottom. All right, here's a top. Anyway, that there is significant top. That's where you should be staying at. That's a top. Here is a top. Here is a top. And we've got a top here. Can you see? In as much as you can spot things like this on your trading view right now, or your metadata on your phone, trust me, you're a fantastic trend line. You can plot a fantastic trend line right now, as a matter of fact. Right now. Check. So in order for you to plot a very correct trend line now, all I just have to do is to come here to this point, to my top left corner, and I'm going to click on trend. So once I click on trend, I've picked that too. Then I'm just going to click once on the trough, the beginning where it started. Then make it to touch the next week. Now here's another question might come. Jeff, why drawing a trend line? Should I make it to touch the body or the week? Yes, I'm reading your mind. Exactly. So instead, I would like you to bother yourself not on where it is touching, instead the number of places it is touching that is relevant at that particular time. Here's what I mean. There are times that it is necessary for you to make trend line to touch the week. That's the actual place it should be. And there are also some times that it is necessary for you to make sure it cuts across some body and then it touches other way. But what matters there is the levels that it is touching, because you want to make sure it touches more levels as possible. Now we have one touch here, second touch. But if price was here, permits me to do a trading view replay. So I want to delete these ones. Let's say price was here. Let's do a replay. Price was here. So the better way for me to have drawn this trend line, I'm not going to teach you too much on this. I'm not going to go too deep. I want to come on the mentorship so that you can be able to kill it really well. Because if I teach you so deep and then you get stuck at some point and it's no longer working, you'll be like, oh, I don't know what this is. I'm stuck here. So it is best you come to the mentorship where you see us using it day in and day out, cashing out from the market, and you also cash out and you say, man, this thing is really good. All right. So check. This would have been a better place. When price was here, this is a better place to have your trend line drawn. Now you notice this part, it's cut across some body. Let me zoom in. The first one is it's touching exactly the week, but here it's cut across some body, and here it is touching the week. So what is most relevant is the point which is touching, relevant point which is touching over where it is touching. Exactly. So know that. You won't get that anywhere. Okay. So let me deactivate. Let me deactivate this stuff now. Now inside main trend line, there are micro trend lines, there are mini trend lines, there are nano trend lines. Let me show you something right now. So if I take this trend line now, this is a trough, yeah, or a bottom, as you may want to simplify, and then this is another bottom again. All right, this is a valid trend line, as I when price was here. All right. So with trend line, we have two types of trend line trading. We have trend line bounce, we have trend line break. Trend line bounce is this one. Whenever price come back to this trend line, it bounces it up. This is money here, money on the floor. So anytime this happen with my team, I'm like, man, guys, buy, 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 buy. It's time for us to buy, buy. So some people are like, what is this dude saying? How come I'm not seeing what this guy is saying? This is obviously a sell. And you can see a strong bearish candle right here. This is a strong bearish candle. It's only retracing, and then this should sell. And I'm like, no, no, let's buy. This is what I saw here. Exactly what I saw. Exactly. Simple. Simple. So let's not waste too much time here. I'm sure I've been able to explain the types of trend lines and how you can really hit it hard. So I've explained three concepts so far. With these three confluences acting as telling you to do the exact same thing now, how do you take trades? With price action, pure price action. Or let's relate it. How do you take trades first? Let me just do that. Then before I tell you what to do right now, how to take trade based off this thing I've taught you right now. Now, how do you take trade with this strategy I've just taught you? You need three of these things I've taught you to align. You want trend line to be in your favor. You want trend line to tell you to buy, and then you buy. Not so fast. You want trend line to tell you to buy. You want your level to tell you that, okay, that level is strong enough for you to bounce for a buy. And you also want chart pattern to tell you that, yes, Jeff, it's time for you to get in. That's all you need. How many complexes have we mentioned so far? Let me know in the comment section. How many complexes? How many conferences? Let me know, just to be sure you guys are following. So Mensa Lawrence is asking, when is your mentorship for the year? It's every day. We have classes every Wednesdays and Friday, live classes where you get to ask questions and we get to trade together. All right? Every day. So you can go on our website right now, firepipsfx.com, and then you get registered immediately. Immediately, sign up. So here on the mentorship, if you don't have money for the yearly, 6 months has been launched. Can you see? We have 6 months now. We just recently launched today. Go ahead and take advantage of that. So the most popular plan is yearly, $399 for a year, and monthly is $9, and then 6 months is $225. And we also have the free plan. Free is just $0. If you are new, that will just get you started on what is forex and the basics. So if you're able to master the free, which is what I tell people, if you're able to master the free, you should be able to make, say, $20 to $50 every week to every 1 week to a month. Yes, if you master everything there and you really spend your time there. I believe I'll be able to answer that. So nice. So 3 conferences. Simon said 3 conferences. Lucky said 3 conferences. Fidelity said 3. Perfect. Triple Star said 3. Raymond said 3. Even people around me here, they are saying 3. Good. You guys are following. All right. So now let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. Let's mesh those conferences together, and then we'll take action. We'll take action. So let's add some more psychological levels, and then I'll just do one small replay, one small trading. Let me start from nowhere. So like, I didn't see what happened. Let's say I didn't see what happened, say around here. Let's take trade based off that. Honestly, I don't know what's going on here, what's going to happen here. But with this thing I've taught you right now, let's take action. Let's see, okay, what Jeff is teaching me, whether is correct or not. Let's see. First, I shrink my charts. Where am I currently? I don't know where am I. I don't know. So, but let's test the knowledge I just taught you guys. So first, we're in a downtrend. If I shrink my charts really well in a downtrend, uptrend. Why was I able to change bias so quick? Because I said that there's a trough here, and then it's leading us to the upside, to the up. Boom. Can you see? Uptrend. From what we can see from here to here, uptrend. But if I shrink a little bit more and come here, you find out we're in a downtrend. But let's not work on that. But with what we can see on the screen right now, on the charts, we're in an uptrend. Because why? We are making consecutive higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and truncative 5. Because truncative 5 is when the next higher high is equal to the previous high. Do you understand? You won't hear this anywhere again except here. Okay. So now we have a high, we have a high, we have a high, and we have a high. What do we tell you about having a high? Trend lines. So anytime you have at least 2 peaks or 2 highs, just take your trend line to mark 1, mark it to be 1, 2, and then you leave it. Make sure it is relevant to the current chart. Easy peasy. We've done that already. Easy. So the next thing we want to do is there's another trend line here again. There's a trough, There's a trough here, and there's another trough. So we're going to pick another one, draw a trend line. This is we just dealing with the trend line part for first. We are dealing with the trend line. Okay. So is there any other trend line that is relevant that we are missing out on? Let's shrink out, let's see. Nothing. We are good. This is all we need right now. So the next thing we want to put is psychological levels or levels. So if I'm to go with the first strategy I taught you, but I mean the first pattern of getting levels, I'll just come here and mark, okay, each time price gets to this zone. If I'm to go by the zone that I taught you, let's call it zone. Yeah, this is a zone. Why? Price touched here. Anytime price retested here, boomed up, was able to break, and then we had a massive drop here. It made noise even when it got here again. See, it's a valid zone. So what is this telling us? Anytime price gets to this zone again, there will be reaction. Just keep that in mind. Because price is not here yet, there yet. Okay, so we also have a high here, high. Also, there's a zone there. There's a zone. You agree with me? There's a zone here. Okay, so that's on the zone. So, but however, for this example, I'm not going to be using zone. I want to use the one I prefer more, which is psychological level. So let's go ahead and apply. I just want you guys to know how to apply things that I've taught you. Application now, because that's what is most important. So my mentorship is not about theory. Go and read or just go and watch video. No. We are practicing it because I know the results people want. How many people here? How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 792 people on the call right now. You people don't love forex. You people love money. You want money. All right. So that's why most times, if I don't give you signals, you're always pissed. You're angry. Jeff, you're not giving me signals. I'm here for the signal. I want to make money. I understand the plight. So that's why I'm always making sure in our mentorship, we are trading together. We are making money. All right. Because if it's not making money, it's not making sense at all. I understand that process. I understand. So let's go. Let's make this make money. Let's make this make sense in terms of monetary. So let's go ahead and put psychological level. So the current price, in order for us to draw psychological level, you have to note this current price. Current price 1.27712. This is as at October 2021, 29th October 2021. So let's go ahead and put psychological levels. So the nearest meaningful number is going to be 1.35. Easy. So you jump here. In order for me to get the next one, I'm just going to calculate 50 pips. Here. 3550, 35500. Okay, easy. Yeah, 35500. Thanks. And the next, keep going up. Just keep adding, what's it called? 50 pips. 50, easy. 360, 1.37. Now, if you know the next one, if you can guess the next one before I even put it, you're already done with the psychological level. You don't have any problem. You don't have any problem at all if you can guess the next one. Then if you get 1.365, then you're correct. Now you can clap for yourself. Not so far. Don't clap for yourself. Don't worry. Let the market. If profit shows, if blue shows, then that's clapping for you. That's a reward. That's what I love about forex. If you claim that you know too much, you know it, Abby. Don't worry. We'll see your results. It will show. You don't have to show workings. Don't worry. Just to show. It will show. 375. Like this. I'll keep adding some more. Easy. 1.385. So now another question that might come to your mind is, Jeff, how many psychological level do I need to add? You can add as many as possible that you want, in as much as it's not confusing you on the chart. You are fine with it. Add it. Don't have any issues. So now let's go ahead and take action with what we have right now. So Jeff, enough of this long story. What do I need to do right here now? So now, since price is at this point, I'm not going to take action just yet. So first, what day of the week are we in? This is on a Thursday, on a Friday, okay? So I'll just play this so that we can start fresh on a Monday. So let me put period separator so that we'll be able to tell what day of the week we are in. So each box represents one daily action. So this is Friday. So let's fast forward to a Monday so we can start on a fresh note. Just as expected. Okay. Let's start. Yes, this is Monday. Okay. With this now, I'll just go on my 1 hour to check what is the current time frame, what's happening right now on the current chart. Because my main trend is from 4 hour time frame. My current chart, my current trend is always determined from what's it called now? It's determined from 1 hour. And then I do my entry on 15 minutes. So that's why I see anytime I send a signal, it's always from 15 minutes chart. I'm sure you are following. What time frame are you analyzing the market, boss? I was on 4 hours a while ago, but right now I'm on 1 hour and I'm going to 15 minutes. So let's take some questions. Okay. Um, okay, another question. What time frame is best for this analysis? You can do any analysis on any time frame, depending on where you are. So since I'm a day trader, I do my analysis on 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. I pick my trade on 15 minutes. So if you are a swing trader, you should do weekly, daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour. All right. So okay. Never mind. Say only clap, only clap when you are seeing blues. Exactly. Uh, mhm. Perfect. Thank God, Rich. He said there are no smart people in the forex market. If you claim you are smart, the market is gonna punish you. Where's the lie? True. Uh, can psychological levels be added on other currency pairs? Yes, it can, Madam Ogechi. It's possible. Can psychological levels be used on gold? Yes, it can be used. Meshach said, I formatted my mind and unlearn everything just to start afresh with only Jeff's metal. Man, you just done that's the best decision I've ever made in your life right now. Cool. Okay, now let's go. I just want to get your feedback and make sure you guys are following along. Yes, so that's why I'm here to take some questions. So let's go. Let's go back to the chat. Jen, yeah. Okay, so now I'm here on the 15 minutes. Why am I here on the 15 minutes? I just want 15 minutes to tell me, Jeff, I want trend line to tell me to buy, or I want these three things to tell me one thing. Either trend line to tell me to buy or to sell, I will do that. Psychological level to tell me to buy or to sell, that's what I would do. Or chart pattern tell me to buy or to sell, that's what I'm going to do. All right. Remember, keep in mind that this is Monday. This day is Monday. We don't intend to trade on Mondays because Mondays are for directional buyers. I just want to know where the direction is headed, where it's tilted towards for Monday. So this is Friday for last week. Now, as far as I'm concerned, we are in this present day that I'm back testing. So as far as I'm concerned, right now we are in 1st of November 2021. That's where we are in right now. So that if I say yesterday, just know that I'm talking about that day, the yesterday of that day, because that's the word of back testing. All right. So let's go. So let's fast forward and see how the action played out on Monday. So the Mondays was little funky, feeling funky. So Monday ended here because price is just acting up, feeling funky. So now let's go. Upon price getting to this point, what's the next thing to do now? No action. For me, I'll still keep watching. I want price to come up about a little. No, I'll just go ahead and adjust my trend line to fit here. Okay. And then make this other trend line come here. It's very steep, but yeah, I'm going to do that. But let's watch. No, not like that. I'm going to touch that high. So I'm making sure it's touching here. Okay, good. So let's go. Boom. Let's play. So this is 6 o'clock. Realistically, price is already acting off of this psychological level. Can you see 1.36500? Price is acting off of that zone. You see, so that tells me that there's another trend line from there again, another trend line from here, another trend line. So what will I look to do? So immediately as price move back up here, I'm positioning for entry. So that's why you see most times I'll put something like this. So what have I seen? For me to pull out a chart like this, you must have seen this a lot on my Telegram channel, on my Instagram story when I'm giving out signals. What this is telling us is this is a point where I'm expecting price to tank, to drop. Why am I expecting the drop? Okay, now this is me giving out too much information to you free guys, because I still love you guys. I still will give you, because I know in trading, mentorship is a thing. It's not a course. Course cannot solve our problems. Mentorship can solve most problems. Because I can teach you this thing right now. It might work for you 1 week, and then the other week you are having losses. You're back down again. You're probably giving all the profit you made from last week back. That is most problem that most traders here has. Consistency in making profits. They are not consistent. All right. Okay. Hold on. Sorry, give me a sec. I have to do something right now. Just hold. Let me forward this one to my guy. Okay, so planning of FME has been taking my time. So you guys must make sure you are there. Now we have virtual tickets available. We have physical tickets available. So no excuse. And everything is very affordable. Everything very affordable. So you guys must make sure you are there. Because even while I'm here and I'm still trying to fast track what's happening with FME, what's going on. So I come on my 15 minutes. All right. Coming on 15 minutes now. Let's play. Good. So first, price has been able to tell me that what's interpretation will I have to give to price? Price has been able to tell me that okay, there's a trend, there's a psychological level here which is finding it difficult to break. Though it broke out, but it's coming back to retest. This psychological level is telling me that this is signaling that price might drop from here. Then trend line is also telling me that since price touched here and it came back, it touched here again, drop, and maybe it's likely to form another touch to drop. Then the last thing which we're watching out for now is chart pattern. So let's keep watching. And let's play. Honestly, no action yet. Still no action. Okay, boom. So right here, I'll likely take a trade for a short. Why? Because I've seen that an action has happened here. Then I should just take small off of this point. Okay. I'll just take small off of this point. Because this trade is very sure. This one, what I mean by is very sure, like it, since we already have a confirmation to our direction, then any small pullback just for us to add. Since I missed this trade, I'll just tell you realistically as it is in my heart. Can you see? So this time should be 5 o'clock. So I think for my trading, there are some other rules I'm not telling you guys, because obviously you don't expect to just tell you everything here now. No. You have to come to the main place. Okay. So ideally 5 o'clock, I'm done trading. I've taken my profits. I'm out. All right. Ideally. So this one is a win. Okay, let's go to the next one. So every day I must see 2 opportunities. I don't do too much in the market because it's not my home. It's not. I don't do too much. Ideally, every day I must see 2 trades. 2 trades. So I start trading when it's 6 o'clock. Hey, I'm giving out too much information, guys. But 6 o'clock, I catch a trade. Just know that 6 o'clock I catch a trade is a must. And you can go back and check the time I send you guys signals. You find that there's always one particular time period, time range. Go check. That's another secret I'm giving you guys. Okay, now here's another thing. Since the time is about 6 o'clock to 7, here is a very good point for me to short. But do you know why I'm not going to be entering this trade? I'm not going to be entering this trade because there are no any other confirmation apart from the trend line touching. So for me, most likely this guy is going to bounce up. He's only dropping a bit to bounce up. I'm not going to take the trade because our confidence criteria are not there. Do you see now? That is where the discipline comes in. Number one, it's good for you to have. You see now, you bounce off this point, boom. You also have to have rules that are guiding you. Okay, you see, move straight up. But I'm not going to be entering this trade because if I enter now, there'll be a lot of questions everywhere on this chat box. You'll be like, Jeff, why did you enter this trade? Why did you enter this trade? Why did you enter this trade? So there are no explanations to that. But market just did this thing. But with price action, you know that price is going to move down and then boom. I know that through price action. So I don't want to take you guys through that rigorous step right now because you are still new. Because we have people who are relatively new. They just go with one that has trend line is telling us to buy. Psychological club is telling us to buy. Chart pattern is telling us to buy. Then we buy. Everything is aligning for sell. Then we sell. Stuff like that. That's what we're just going to be doing. Okay, let's go. Just so you know that there are more to these things. There are more to it. Thank you. So it's not just price, just moving randomly up and down. No. There are more to it. So if you are willing to learn the more to it, no problem. You can come in on the mentorship. So this day, as price swipe to this bar down, that's another signal to go long. but let's pass since we did take it. Then this is another day again. This is November 21, no, 4th of November 2021. Okay, let's go. I'll just do this last example, then I'll go ahead and show you what we should be doing right now, how to make money right now. Okay. So exactly 6 o'clock, that's when I wake up. That's my morning routine. I'm awake, I'm hustling again, I'm hunting. I'm hunting for trades. I'm checking, I'm like, okay. So since price touched this point, so this is a new recent high that is touched. You see the way I change my bias now? This trend line has automatically changed from being this touching this high to this new high because it is the point at which it's touching that is more relevant to where it is touching. If you didn't take anything away, take that away from this class. So there's another trend line that has formed, another counter trend line. Remember I told you inside trend there's trend lines, okay? So another counter trend line that has formed. Check this. All right. So now price already here now. So let's take action. Let's zoom in for price. Can you see action at this point? So this is at 7 a.m. London time. Okay, this is an action, but we're not going to hop on that. Okay, can you see? With this is an entry. Immediately you pull that back down here, entry. That's what I call entry candle. That's what you call entry candle. So people in the mentorship, they will be able to tell you this more about this entry candle to long. Or however, now let me tell you the thinking psychology. I'll tell them sometimes. There are some signals I send to my mentorship that I don't send to you guys. Why? You guys will notice that anytime, every now and then I send signal in that group, people will be like, if I send a buy, that's when you see SMC traders or people that are trading 1K leg strategy. I don't know, might not be SMC, but they'll come out, it is a sell, and then price go by, and then they see them low key, they don't say anything. I'm like, you guys don't know what's going on. You guys are following textbook trading. You're not following, you're not following the real thing. Like I sleep and wake up with this thing every now and then. And I only do one thing. Unlike you that you're trading GBP USD, you're trading gold, you're trading GBP AUD, you're trading Euro JPY, you're trading JPY JPEG, everything is your pair. But me, this is one thing. So whenever I'm talking, just keep quiet and just follow. Simple. If you can't keep quiet, then just delete your MT4. Delete your MT4. So that's the instruction. Next time. So anytime this happens, so why I don't do that is I know that there are newbies amongst us. So if I send a signal like this, the person might just go ahead and start buying from here. Like when I'm expecting people to get in at this point, then you start getting in here. Funny thing, price would have gone far. Let me do an example now. Like as price will keep surging up now, yeah, price keeps surging up. Let's say this one hits stop loss. As price keeps surging up now, price here, people will be like, Jeff, can I enter now? Can I go in now? I'm like, this setup, since it's already invalidated. You don't do that. You don't want to get in right now. All right. So what we're anticipating that immediately price got here, because this one hits the stop loss doesn't mean that, oh, it's a bad trade. No, it's everything well managed. So we are expecting that price was going to move from here, this point, to somewhere around here to form an M and then a final drop. Do you understand? So immediately this one has happened, plan change again. So since plan has changed, I'm going to take another trend line, a high here. All right. So the next move is let's price bounce up, and then we join the short. You see, price bounce up, then we join the short from here. You see, it bounces up to this point, and then we join the short. Easy. So it is fine. Like I tell you, every day I have 2 entries. I might miss one, but most times I get the 2 entries. Like we had this one first. Okay, this one hit our stop loss. But okay, then let me just tell you this secret. Every London has an opportunity to give. Every New York session has an opportunity to give. Do you understand? So now you'd notice from here, what time did we have this? Just trace it to the downside. We had this opportunity at 8 o'clock. All right. We had this next opportunity at what? It's always 1, 2, or 3. Check. 12:45. That range. That is how market works. So immediately it bounces up. Now, what are we trying to get here? You don't get in trade. What confirmed this entry for us? Price touching trend line, which is here, and price touching psychological level. and forming an M that happened here. So since at first we thought that price was going to go up here, that didn't happen. Then it took at our stop loss, which is normal. Yes, we take stop loss. Then immediately you come back here again. You shouldn't miss this one. This one will even give you more profit, more reward. So you see that we are risking little now. Let me talk about risk a little bit. Oh, today is for price action. Let me not go to about risk management. Maybe I'll have to do another class for risk management. So, but for risk management is what will keep you longer in the game. To say that you're not going to make losses, that's a lie. Everybody make losses. You see that this is my back test that I did, and I think we only hit stop loss once, and every other thing take profit. Trust me, sometimes it's not always like that. As a good trader, what you want to do is you can have 5 losses. When you win one, you should be able to cover those 5 losses. That's a good trader. That's another topic. But what they won't tell you is, oh, you always have to keep winning. Strategy is king. Is a lie. This strategy I just showed you now, this is just 10% of it. But the mindset, yeah, that's 60%. Then the money management, risk management, trade management is 30%, just as you already know. So keep that in mind and run with it. All right. So with that said, now let me tell you what's to happen right now, because I know that's what interests you guys most. What's to happen right now? How to make profit right now? So let's go. But before I go there, let me check your comments. Let me take some questions. Salihu said no price action and no peace. That's it. Simply put. Raphael, he said, tell us everything. Man, you can't squeeze everything in your head just in one day. No, it's impossible. What people are squeezing in for a year, 6 months. You want to do that one day? No, it's impossible. Jeff, please, why is there no indicator trader in the expo? Are you saying we don't have any successful, maybe that's successful indicator traders in Africa? Now, I'm not saying indicator trading is bad. No, it's not bad. All right. You can, in as much as you are making money, it's good. But I know people love price action. They don't want to stress themselves with about indicator turning blue to tell them to buy or turning red to tell them to sell. They just want to beat the indicator on their own. You understand? So that's why I'm bringing out price action. So it's left to you to choose anyone. Who tell you they don't use indicator? They might not show you that part. Some of them might be using indicator. I don't know. But that doesn't mean indicator doesn't work. Please get me right. It works. It works for those who knows how to use it. All right, now Sunday Kelechi said 6 months. I'm coming in now. Good. You're welcome, Kelechi. Who else? Okay, so that's it. Let's go ahead. Trade what you see and not just theory. Thank you. Trading is beyond theory. Okay, when this indicator turn red, buy, sell. When it turn green, buy. Just make sure you don't borrow money from anyone to trade. If you are doing that, if you do that, I'll call everybody straight up. Okay, now let's go to the current chart. Let's make real life money. Now already with this, what I've been teaching you guys is what trend are we in? Let me see people who are following us. With what I've been teaching you guys now, let's see what trend are we in now, judging from here to here, from here to here. What trend are we in? What trend? Let's see comments. Okay, good. People here are answering. What trend are we in? Thank you. Lucky just said uptrend. Jesse said bullish trend. Saying the same thing. Thank you. What other thing? Who's in? Someone said, can we stream the FM? We're talking about trading now. We're bringing FM. Yes, you can stream it. Virtual tickets, you can. It's available now. Bullish trend, uptrend, power. So what does that tell you now? If someone who is trying to sell in this market, someone said bearish. Hey, Kwesi, Charlie, no be so now. ABB plus you waited the teacher here for it be here since. Why now? Charlie, Ghana man, no be so now. It's a bullish trend. You know what? Okay, now let me break it down. Maybe Kwesi's just joined. So you check. Talking about if I'm to clear out this stuff, it might affect every other thing. Let me delete one at a time then. So now, can you see that there's a new low here? Don't mind me because I play a lot. Don't just take that into perspective. I was just joking. I'm not trying to make fun. Okay. Hey, It's like blessed is connected. Ah. Ghanaians love, hey, they love that statement. I don't know. So now this is a low, or this is a trough. This is a trough. This is a trough, and here is a trough. So and we are having the one that is consecutive higher highs, higher highs. So it's an uptrend. I said judging from here to here. So it's an uptrend. You understand? So if you must make money right now, write these words down. You must buy. If you must make money now, you want to make money now. It's a buy. If you're trying to sell, it's suicidal. Suicidal. If you must make money right now, it's a buy. All right. So Jeff, what informed that decision? Because the sellers that we have right now at this top, can you see the noise? Even the sellers are trying to bring it down. Buyer strength is a little, but then the little effort is still outperforming the sellers. Can you see? Still moving it up. So in this kind of trading, these are tradings that blow people's account. Why? Whose people's account will this likely blow? People that want you to catch the top, to ride the very strength from the top. They want to catch it from the top and ride it down. And riders, those are the people that their accounts will just be blown at this time. So the best thing you want to do is just follow the trend or stay out. If it is not clear to you, follow the trend or stay out. Simply put. Okay? Simple. From here, buy. Or you want to wait a little bit for price to dip a bit, and then you hop in for a nice sweet ride for a buy. All right. The psychological level there is 1.21500. Trend line is also there. Then this trend line, boom, two confluences, and you just watch out for a W like this. If it's a buy, you want a W to form. If you're waiting for a buy, a W should form. If you're waiting for a sell, you should wait for M. Hold on. Let me show you what you should be expecting. This is a W. Price came back up here, maybe somewhere around here. Then, boom. Very aggressive buy coming there. Dangerous buy. It's a very dangerous buy. So don't try to sell, guys. So even if you don't know what you're doing, don't trade. Even if you don't know what you're doing, don't trade. Because it will be painful. After listening to this news, still I went to sell and they took your stop loss. It will be painful. I'll remove you from my group if you do that thing. Honestly, because this 2023, I can't be dealing with somebody that doesn't understand trend. I can't. Oh, Kuma, he said, me, big fan. I'm Indian. Nice to have you, man. I have lots of Indians on the DM these days. I'm definitely going to do something for you guys pretty soon. You guys are just the best. You guys are just the best. Just the best. Okay, good. This guy said, I'm enjoying the life. Zaka Fresh. Thanks. Okay. Kwesi has got by. He said, I was just looking at it from the daily time. Oh, yeah, swing trader. I'm talking about day trading. For day trading, you should buy. Okay. Who is there? Lucky said it's called the buy movement. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Okay, so there are pretty much no questions here. No questions, and I think that's pretty much good. Everyone is on the same page. So to me, since I've been able to answer, I've been able to break this what's it called? This pure price action analysis to you guys. Please do well to share this to your friends that are probably struggling with price action. They really want to take their trading to the next level. Please don't be stingy. You can't make all these $6 trillion, more than $6 trillion in this forex market flowing every day. Only you can't make it. It's not possible. So share with someone else. So it might not be this video, but this 2023, be conscious about being your brother's keeper, helping them. Not just if you see a meme and you forward a meme, or you see babes contact, you're sharing babes contact. No. Share them how to make money to carry babe or to do other things. You know what I mean? But just share them something that will make them to make money, and so that they can improve their life. Not to carry paper, just joking, but to improve their life. Okay. So let me show some other thing. So someone is asking, what is MFE? No, it's not MFE, it's FME. So FME is simply the biggest millionaire forex expo that is happening right now. Yes. So if you don't know about this, you're probably not a trader, or you just downloaded MT for today. So, but if you know about this, then congratulations, man. You're a very good trader. So what we want to do with this FME is to have people all across Africa, I mean the best of the best traders all across Africa, all in one room. So this is happening in 4 days time. Now we now have tickets available for standard, premium access, exclusive access for physical, and we also have for virtual attendance. So let's say you don't have money, you are broke, you can't come to Lagos. That's when you can go for the virtual for the virtual ticket. Yes, that's what I have to say. But well, if you have money and you want to pull it up, you want to come live, because there's difference between coming in live, meeting with me, Jeff Benson, Habi, meeting with my guy Dapo, Refwayne, Lesiba, God Love, mention them, Dr. Harmonix, Kira, Dr. Angela from Namibia, and every other fantastic trader that are going to be there. Like, because I'm not mentioning your name and you're coming, that doesn't mean you're not a special guest. Just watch the way I'm going to welcome you. Just watch. Oh, I gave that away. I shouldn't have said that, but don't worry. Everyone is special. Don't worry. It's a grand welcome for everyone. So that is what is Forex Millionaire Expo. Now, why should you get this ticket? Why? Why should you get this ticket? Why should you get this ticket? I love people that question why. If I tell you do this thing, you tell me why, I love you more. So now let me show you why you should get it. You should get this ticket because number one, we are about to demystify a myth. Because people think that every young guy who is making money and is living life, driving a Benz, I don't know about your country, but if you're in Africa, and the more that I know that I've experienced in Nigeria, if you are that kind of person, you're a Yahoo boy. So we want to stop that myth to let them know that there are crypto boys making crazy money. Oh. Just imagine I'm trading an account for prop firm. Like last year, I was able to gather, say, about 1.5 with different profit, $1.5 million, and I'm able to make 10% of $1.5 million. So that's like help me 150K, and I'm getting 80% profit split. Now tell me, can I not buy 120K? Can I not buy a car of my choice? Can I not buy a Mercedes Benz? I can. So people are not aware, and they are not aware of these things. So they think that there's something that is making more money. For you to be making that money, then you're into fraud. So that's something that we, the forex guys, we want to change. All right, it's a statement that we just need to change. So I get that a lot. Maybe if I pull up in a random place, I am happy, and they say, "Oh, these guys are Yahoo boys." I'm like, I feel insulted because Yahoo boys can't make 1% of what I'm making in 1 minute. It's not a brag. We have proof. We can show workings. Honestly, we can show workings. So I feel embarrassed. I feel that you are downgrading me. You are calling me. Imagine I'm a PhD holder. You're calling me a dropout. I'm feeling. You know what I mean, yeah. So this is one reason why you should join. All right. So if that is not enough reason for you to join, for you to come in, now check these guys. These are mentors you're probably seeing. These guys have results. I know some of you, for some reason, some people just have that spirit that, oh, I don't like this one, I like this one more, I don't like this one. So that's why we have all of them on this list. So if you don't like Habi, you should like Christiani. If you don't like Christiani, you should like Habi. You should like one of these people. And if you don't like everybody here, you are possessed. Exactly. You are possessed and you just want to be broke. If you don't like anybody there. So apart from that, now if that's not enough reason, now let me carry you travel here. Let me take you something. Let me take you crazy again. Let me take you crazy. If that's not enough reason for you to want to come, you don't want to see these guys, then come for this last reason. There are many reasons, but I just want to hit you three really hard reasons. Hard. So it's either you should be there live. I prefer that you are there live, honestly. If you are there live, I mean you're my G. But if you can't come, you can just join the virtual one. All right, join the virtual ticket. So the link for the virtual ticket, let me put that up real quick while this one is loading up. I think the link for the virtual ticket should be somewhere around here. So I've got that. Okay, copied. Coming to you, right? So the link, let me just post that right now, and then I'll display that on the screen. So that's it. The link for the virtual ticket. So if you can't make it here, you have other engagements going on. Maybe you're in the UK, in the US, in a very far away country, and you have job engagement. Although people are traveling away from far away country coming here for this event, I don't think you know the implication. I'll tell you the last thing is going to be the implication. So the third reason why you should be here are these bonuses that are available. So if you're not here for these guys, maybe you have pride. You say, oh, I'm not here to see these guys. And meanwhile, you're here to see them, but you're not here. Let's say you're not here to see them. Okay, you don't care about them. Your pride is talking. Okay, but what if I tell you that you have a bonus just apart from pay? We're not after your money. We just want you guys to come. So you have bonus one, we have bonus two. Bonus one includes 5 Pips branded t-shirt, which is worth 15K. We have beginners to cash out video course, which is worth 50,000 naira. We have bonus 3, which is the 90 days millionaire battle plan, which is worth 50,000 naira. We have bonus 4, which is $100,000. This is a groundbreaking one. Now, how can you qualify for any of these bonuses? So if you're on a standard ticket, by default, you get bonus 3 only. If you're on a premium ticket, by default, you are getting 2 and 3 bonuses. If you are now on the exclusive, you are getting 1, 2, 3. Then the fourth one, in order for you to win a $100,000 giveaway, which is what we are having, account giveaway, then that one is open to everybody. In as much as you are attending at all, that one is available to everybody. It's a raffle draw. Okay? And that's available for 10 people. So, I mean, that's enough reason. Now, let me tell you the groundbreaking one. Now, see our testimonials. Can you just come here, check this testimonials, then you see what we are telling you. Check testimonials. Now, apart from this one, now, this is going to be the first time, or maybe the only time you're going to see all of these traders that you see here all in one room. So, I mean, that's why this explains why people are coming from United States, United Kingdom, from Asia, far to experience this thing. Because it might happen again, but then you might not really have the time. You see, now that you have the time, you can actually squeeze out that time. I mean, this is a place you should be at. All right. So thank you. So someone said something right now. There's a testimonial I miss out on. There's a testimonial I miss out on. Someone said, someone said he doesn't know what a Yahoo boy is. Oh my god. That's very good. You're a rich kid then. You're a rich kid. Now I understand. If you're a rich kid, I understand. Now, see. He said, how much is the virtual ticket? It's just 5,000 naira, which is like $7, $6 to $7. Okay, now look at this testimonial that I love. Chidera, he said, you have made me a better trader. And this is a guy that I've not met before. I've not met this guy before. So just imagine we meet him. What you guys don't know about meeting is he had some psychological shift. When you go back, he start taking some kind of risk that you start taking some Lamborghini risk. Before some of you are taking risk that will just buy you Kia Picanto. You don't know. Risk that should make you a millionaire. You're looking at Kia Rio. Exactly. Yeah. He did like Access Bank worker, Kia Rio 2018, 2019. No, now. Instead of you to be aiming for the bigger things. So meeting people that are right there will just give you that mental shift. Another reason. All right. So that's one thing that you have to know. Okay. So good. If you want to attend right now, all you just have to do is just click on this link that I'm about to display on the screen, right? Make a payment, check out right now, and then I'll be happy to onboard you, send you your ticket, and then I'll be at the entrance gate that day welcoming you to the event. All right. I'll be welcoming you. So just go to fxmillionaireexpo.com, buy any ticket that you want. So exclusive, you're going to have access at the front. So exclusive ticket doesn't just only give you a table for 5 and we're preparing a table in the presence of your enemy for you. Not just that, we're also going to be on exclusive. We're also going to be having a dinner outside that. So just you, the exclusive guys, and these top guys that we have on the list, the top traders. You see, that is the exclusive deal. But if you're on the premium gives you front seat, table for 10, and then you have any dinner of your choice, any dish of your choice, not dinner, like not a separate dinner, but at that event only. So make your choice. Then the regular ticket, which is what we call what do we call it? We call it standard ticket. So on the standard ticket, you should have sitting, nice meal, and just hang out with friends, take pictures and normal things. Okay. So okay, now thank you. It's a one task more for Jeff Chris. Good. You definitely you already have it, man. You have it. So that is it on today's show. I'm glad that you guys learned, and you learn in an entertaining way, and also you are making money, and also you are informed, and also you are also coming for the FME, which is most important. Okay, and you're also going to learn. Good. So this is another one again. This is from Bantam. Elijah, he said, thank to you. 50% of my trading progress is because of you. Keep up the good work, Jeff. Nice. Amazing. Wow. See, Jeff, you have changed my life. Good. Congratulations, man. Samuel said, when is the date? It is 14th. So on Saturday of this week, we are live. So just go on this. See, everything is open here. It's well spelled out here. 3 days from now. Okay, you are there. So That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So it's all up to you. It's all in your hand. So this year, this month, everything is on your hand. So man, thank you guys for being in here. Someone is asking, am I back in Nigeria? Yeah, this is my trading station, so I'm back. I'm back for good. I'm back. Um, Jeff, you made my mom happy of me this last Xmas. Wow, wow. This is just a story I'm about to spread. So I'm not here to say I'm the richest forex trader or I'm the best forex trader or this. If I can make this success I see from Michael Okena for everyone that here, about 700 or 800 people that are there today, just to make them to make their mama proud. I mean, I make a video last December. People didn't know, they thought I was just attacking people. I said, stop avoiding your sister's call, your mother's call, people's call. Go ahead, the money that you have made, send to them. It might just be $100 you're sending to them. It goes a long way. So I'm not just that's why all I'm doing is about mentorship. I'm not just raising people that are making money and squandering it on random girls, going to club and doing shady bala bala and buying Azul. No, no, no. These are not the people I'm raising. I'm raising decent people that are able to change their family story, change their community story, change their city story, change their country story, change the continent, and change the world. That's what we are raising. So it is simple. So Mikey, I'm super proud of you too for making your mommy proud. I'm so excited about that. Congratulations. Just as many other of my mentees that are doing the same thing. I'm happy that you're doing the same thing from a far distance. Congrats, man. Uh, thank you, thank you. So that's it. So you see guys on the next episode because it's already 1 hour 17 minutes. I don't want this to be too long. It's already long, but let's cut the long story short. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.